Life can sometimes feel like a constant whirlwind, going through the motions without stopping to take in what's in front of us. After my long sail from the Bahamas to Puerto Rico, my sense of time felt strange. During the following 2 weeks, I sometimes felt that I was truly in the moment, soaking up new cultures and locations, but at other times I felt that I was simply going through the motions while waiting for the right weather window. This week I am working my way east, a little under 200 nautical miles with a few special stops along the way to better position myself for my final sail to Grenada.
73 gallons, 650 miles, plus some. Hey girl! Good morning, sunshine! There's gonna be less ocean shots while I'm in this water because there's really not much pretty things to look at. The wind just randomly picked up to 30 knots. Puerto Rico. How are you? Hi. We're just going 4 miles basically from that little cove and around either this corner or the next corner. I think there's one more, and it should be a pretty big cove and probably water about this color. And the wind, today's Saturday, and it's showing the wind is dying a little bit Monday through Wednesday. And I'm trying to get to Salinas, which is 60 miles, and today could have actually been good sailing once I got around the corner, possibly. But most of the wind is directly from the east, and I'm trying to go east, and it picks up to, like it just did, 30 knots in the face, which is not pretty.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad, was it?
Okay, the water is not blue, but I can almost see the bottom in 15 feet. So we're getting better. It's a beautiful spot. I can't wait to fly the drone when the wind calms down in the morning. It's really beautiful. And we're set. We made it. Mako, you're wet. Good morning. Good morning, guys. I've been getting up super early because the sunrise is pretty early here. But in the mornings it is glassy. It definitely reminds me of, I know it sounds weird saying it, but like the lake. Yeah, it gets pretty chilly here at night. Well, when I say chilly, it's not what any of you are used to with AC, but I had to pull my duvet back out. So around like 3 a.m. But then by 5:30, I'm getting up. Haven't been really falling asleep well, but it's so glassy here. What I wanted to say was, so down here the offshore and onshore wind patterns are very consistent and they are very real here. So at night the wind calms down as the land cools off, and then as land heats up during the day, the winds pick up. So that's a brief summary. Oh my gosh, I can see the bottom of the rudder. I can see the bottom of the ocean. It's been a few days. What? I don't really like bringing out the camera when I go places. But I walked, I don't know, half a mile and had a real Mexican dinner. Like an authentic, cute local place. I walked away from all the tourist stuff. I had a good margarita and enchiladas. I haven't had enchiladas besides what my mom has made me and so long, and it was so nice, and it was half the price of anything in the Bahamas.
You're so cute.
And that is what I have been dealing with. Welcome to the show. Time to go. Mako! Good morning! We're out. There was a rope caught on the anchor. I hate dirty water. Yeah, should be a long day of motoring. Hopefully uneventful from now on. It got very salty. I really want to give the boat a bath. I've been making water all day. I don't think I'm going to stay here overnight. It's windy, there's kind of a lot of people, and you know, I'm just really craving to swim around, get Mako some litter, and probably be on our way. Boat work is taking priority right now. It looks murky, but it's bluer than it's been in a few days.
After stopping for a few minutes to get Mako some sand for his litter, I motored another 10 miles into 30 knots of wind, anchoring in Salinas before sunset.
I got in here last night. What? Good morning, sunshine. You don't look very sunshiny. Today is very exciting because I'm going to Costco and Walmart. I'll take my GoPro. I hate filming in stores, but I will take my GoPro. I'm so excited. I always have like a million things, so I need to make a list. But I'm really excited. I haven't gone into a grocery store like that. I don't even go into Costco in Florida. I ship it all. So I haven't been to a Costco in a few years. I haven't been into a Walmart since I was in Joplin. Very excited. My phone and packages should be here tomorrow at some point, and then after that I'm gonna head to St. Thomas. Mako, you're gonna be all alone today. I think I'm about to just walk around for fun. I don't even know what to do seeing like clothes. Like, I understand the consumer industry right now because I'm tempted to buy so much. I'm just having fun looking at everything. Guys, I haven't been to a real store in so long. Never thought I'd be excited to go into Walmart. I have made it to Costco. I spent way too much money at West Marine already. I forgot to take the GoPro in. I'm so excited for this. I just hope they have what I don't need anything. That's also the problem. But I also know that the more I spend here, the less I spend down the road. Just like paper towels, toiletries, all that stuff. So when I was walking through Walmart, I just like to look, and I have a feeling walking through here I'm just gonna have fun looking. Hoping they have a little bit of produce so I don't have to go to another store. But so excited. It doesn't feel right, I'll put it that way. This is about to get fun. I got so much junk food. If you guys know Costco, you know how much good stuff they have. And I don't normally do this, but my favorite thing to have during solo crossings and overnight stuff. Cherries. Blueberries, I got so much fruit, strawberries, and kiwi, papaya, which Mako will be happy about, feta dip, some blueberry cheese. Safe to say I'm gonna be cooking for a while. I think this may be getting it into the dinghy and then getting it into the boat is going to be the hardest, but now I need to go search for some engine oil. I have a list. Long day. Hot day. Okay. Yes, I'm talking while driving, but it's just a GoPro, so it's not like I have a big thing in front of me. So I'm not going to look at the screen. but I haven't really taken you guys along my provisioning runs because I have always been in the States for big ones and I've done it online. So I've done my 2 Costco provisions and my Thrive provisions online, and I loved it. I just had to move boxes. I didn't have to go to the store, and I saved a lot of time. But I'm saying this because if you are somewhere where you can buy in bulk, even if you're short on money, which I literally always am, go buy in bulk. You will save so much money in the long run, and you will save so much time. This is the first time I've bought paper towels since I've owned the boat. Maple syrup, rice, oats. I didn't have to buy rice this time because I still have bags and containers full of rice on the boat. And beans, like I didn't have to buy beans, but I bought some because eventually I am gonna run out, and you can't always buy in bulk everywhere. You really can't buy in bulk many places. So my point being, if you wanna save money on a boat, go buy bulk and think ahead. Those 2 things are gonna help you save so much money. So if you're in the States, I also love Thrive Market. I probably could have shipped it here. I don't actually know, I didn't look into it. It's kind of too last minute. I get all of my supplements, a lot of organic stuff I get from there, and you get a big discount. I've saved so much money from them too. And their stuff isn't bulk, but it's super healthy and they have so many things. So if there's 2 places I can recommend, like 2 things I can recommend for provisioning, it's Thrive Market and buying in bulk. Can't tell you how much money and time you're gonna save. And like in the Bahamas, I never had to buy toilet paper or paper towels or dish soap or vegetable oil, no oils. I probably saved over $2,000 to $3,000 by not having to buy any of that in the Bahamas. So I know this is a long rant, but I really can't emphasize it enough. It's something my grandfather taught me, and my mom's always done it, and it helps so much. Another thing is, if you're new to cruising, ask other cruisers what simple things on their boat has broken, and go buy those small parts or the tools or the things that make it easy. For example, my water hoses are 30 years old, so I get little leaks in them. So I have had hose on the boat, but I bought extra hose and all the right tools to be able to cut it and put it back together like that. Because you're not gonna find that if you're cruising in remote islands. But yeah, I'm super happy I got to do this Costco run. Huge shout out to Jake, his YouTube channel's below, for letting me use his car. Seriously, a lifesaver out here when sailors help other sailors. It's one amazing thing about this community. So I'm headed back. I'm gonna pick him up from work and then we'll go back. He's in the marina right now and I'm at anchor. So I'll probably go put all of this stuff on the boat and have dinner, and tomorrow's a big day, waiting for packages and then heading out to St. Thomas. Only 2 dock carts full. I'd say I'm doing pretty good. That's one. Other one's in there. Not too bad. Worst part's gonna be putting it all on the boat individually. It turned off. Well, apparently my GoPro turned off while I filmed that. Or didn't film that. It's all loaded. Pretty full dinghy. Fiona, are you gonna beat Mako? You're good to hop on if you want, yeah.
I'm kind of terrified to hop on. Might sink this thing.
We won't sink.
Check that out. Alright, so what did you pick up today?
Too much. Just kidding. Not enough. Hi! Were you alone all day? Mako, I have a friend. Look.
What's that?
How are you? You gonna help? Mako, you're okay, bub. As I've mentioned, I could not do this without my family. I just got a box. Super excited. Mako has more food Thank you to everyone who has sent food from the wish list. It is much appreciated by him. It's his favorite food and I cannot find it down here. Controller for my solar upgrade I'm gonna be doing in a few months. Seriously, thank you guys to everyone who's bought stuff on my wish list. I just had a Taco Tuesday, and if you can't tell, I've missed my Mexican food. And spreaders are on. Time to raise the dinghy and get going. Going to USVI, should be about a 12 to 13 hour motor sail, or just motor. And I have laundry drying, but I'm not gonna get time to dry it. Wind's still probably 10 knots, but I hope the waves aren't too bad. So I've been a little absent the past few days. I got to St. Thomas and I've spent the past 2.5 days with family friends from Joplin, and they left yesterday and it was just a great time. We did halyard swinging and just spent time in the pool, spent time together, and it's so nice getting to spend time with people who make you feel like home and just make everything feel like home. At the moment, it's the nicest it's looked in a while. I talk down here. That boat is interesting. They're trying to moor up. It is like 9 a.m. and it's hot in here. I just woke up. Don't even want coffee, which is weird. But we've had squalls rolling through the past 2 days. I'm still in St. John, or I am in St. John, I should say. I haven't been filming much. I've made 2 small hops from St. Thomas, and they're both just 25 knots in the face. It's ugly. So now I'm in the bay where the floating taco stand is, and it looks like it's going to be squally for the next week. Today is Monday, and it looks like, as of today, Friday or Saturday is going to be a good time to head out. So I'm going to be here for a while, which means I'm going to be sitting right there for a lot of it. Definitely get some editing done, that way when I get to Grenada, hopefully ahead by an episode or 2. Wow. I'm impressed, if you guys can see that. Mako, what's going on? Mako, what are they doing?
Mako, is it nice out here?
Yeah. The wind's blowing a bit, but I'm gonna move 9 miles to another anchorage where I can hopefully at least see the bottom. Get out of this water, get some space from boats.
I am a bit tired this morning. I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside. When I anchored, it was super calm. Around 9 p.m. the swell started. So we are rocking and rolling. Safe to say Mako and I did not sleep last night, at least very much. It was actually like a good temperature. So I'm trying to get ahead with some editing today. I'm hoping to leave tomorrow. The wind looks good. It looks like the squalls should have slowed down. We didn't get any squalls last night, so fingers crossed. But today's gonna be prep, clean up. It's not even the rocking that bothers me, it's all the sounds. But yeah, just gonna get everything ready to go, edit, and yeah. Mako, what you doing? You ready to go? Where's your toys? Mako? Tomorrow we're leaving and I've been very quiet, and it's just because I've been editing and you've seen what I've done. I feel like I've just kind of been in a daze going through the motions and trying to get ahead with editing, and just been feeling kind of out of it. But Mako and I are having our last meal before sailing, having some meatballs and veggies with a little bit of wine. That looks pretty there. And Mako is having, oh, did you just wag your tail at me? Mako's having a whole fillet of fish. Mako! Yeah! You just ate that. You literally just had a bite of it. I know you like it. Yeah, I didn't sleep at all last night from the swell. I know. And we've had squalls the past few nights before that, and so it was super hot. So I'm hoping to get some sleep tonight and then a few nights out in the water, and I'm super excited for that. And I'm also really excited to get in one place, see people, see some friends. There's so many people down there, so I'm excited to see some friends, but I'm really excited to be where I'm gonna be and just knock stuff out. So I hope you guys have been enjoying all this sailing content. I hope you enjoy the next one, because there's not gonna be a lot of that for a while. Hopefully I'll get some diving footage before, yeah. Mako, what you watching? The past 2 weeks were the perfect break in between 2 long sails. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and liking. Your support, especially via Patreon, keeps these videos coming, and I couldn't do it without you.